Understanding crime rate in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a common term used in news, conversations, and academic discussions: crime rate. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in your conversations. Crime rate consists of two words: crime and rate. Let's understand them individually. 1. Crime, an action or activity that is punishable by law. For example, theft, murder, and fraud are all crimes. 2. Rate, a measure of the frequency or occurrence of an event over a specific period or within a specific group. When combined, the term crime rate refers to the frequency or number of crimes that occur in a specific area within a certain period, usually expressed per 100,000 people. Understanding crime rate can provide insights into 1. The safety of a particular area or city. 2. The effectiveness of law enforcement. 3. Societal issues that might be contributing to crime. For instance, a higher crime rate might indicate a need for more policing or community intervention, while a lower crime rate might suggest that an area is relatively safe and well managed. To help you get a better grasp, here are some sentences using crime rate. 1. The crime rate in New York has decreased over the past decade. 2. Many believe that better education can lead to a lower crime rate. 3. Tourists are often advised to check the crime rate before visiting a new city. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and importance of the term crime rate. Remember, language is not just about words but understanding the ideas behind them. Keep exploring and enriching your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!